Hi, the story of today is The Lucky Blue Socks. Josh and his friends were talking one day about things that bring them luck. I have a rabbit's foot, said Larry. I have a lucky penny, said Roger. Every time I want to do really well in baseball or swimming, I always carry my lucky penny. What about you, Josh? Asked Roger. What is lucky for you? Josh thought for a moment and he answered, My blue socks. Blue socks? The boys said together. How can blue socks bring you luck? Josh said that every time he wears his blue socks to school before a test, he gets a good grade. He told the boys that one day he wore his brown socks and he didn't do well on his test. The next day, Josh had a maths test. He was upset because he couldn't find his blue socks to wear to school. Mom, yelled Josh, where are my blue socks? I have a maths test today and I need to wear them. Don't be silly, Mom said. Those socks need to be washed. If you studied for your test, you will do just fine. Josh was not sure. He agreed with his mom. When I wear them, I get a good grade, Josh said. Did you study for your test? Asked Mom. Yes, then you have nothing to worry about. Just do your best. It was time for Josh to take his maths test. His tummy felt funny, but he thought to himself, just do your best. Larry had his rabbit's foot and Roger had his lucky penny. They asked Josh if he wore his lucky blue socks. No, said Josh. They were in the wash. Well, good luck, the boys said. Josh took his time and answered all the questions. He even went back to check his work to be sure he did his best. That wasn't so bad, Josh thought to himself. Josh's teacher told him later that he scored a 95 on his test. Wow, cried Josh. I didn't even wear my lucky blue socks. Josh couldn't wait to tell his mom how great he did on his test. Mom said, when you study and do your best always, you will get a good grade. The socks do not make you do well. Only you can make yourself do well. You need to have confidence in yourself. Roger and Larry did well on their test, but they did not score as high as Josh. They told Josh that next time they will study harder and longer and not rely on their good luck charms to pass a test. Always remember, you create your luck by working for what you want. Thank you and stay blessed.